తాకట్లో ఉన్న బంగారాన్ని విడిపించి ఆ రోజున మార్కెట్ ధర కట్టి మిగిలిన డబ్బును మీకు అందిస్తుంది కొమ్మూరి గోల్డ్.
Hi everyone, I am Ali Sheikh. I have been here for last 8 years. I have been training here for the students. I have trained the students very across the India. I have trained the people from Madhya Pradesh, Andhra Pradesh, Karnataka, Maharashtra, Uttarakhand, Jharkhand, UP, Bihar. Many state people they have been to my institute and I have trained them. Why we want English? The question is that why we want English? So there are various reasons to learn. These days, believe my words that when you have the academic is 90% or 95 above, still you are not confirmed your job. Why your job is not confirmed? Because whenever you go for applying job, whereas by seeing your certificate, your academic, your job is not confirmed. When you are able to present your subject, presenting your subject is you required is English. Without English, you won't get your job. Whatever academic you are, whatever the place you belong to, whatever the relationship with you have your team or your management of the so and so company. But the major concern is that you must have to know the English language, otherwise you won't get the job. My first point of these. And second point of learning the English language, my brothers and sisters, you can see here communicating. If you go for the hospitals, colleges, universities, and airports, whereas most of the employees they are unaware with regional language. For example, if you go to the Andhra Pradesh airport, whereas those people doesn't know Hindi, whereas the common language is English. Commonly, you can communicate with the people, schools, colleges, university, airport, railway stations, wherever you go. English has become the common language for everyone these days. This is also second reason you must have to learn the language, English language, and come for the education. See, my brothers and sisters, I am sitting here and I am doing one of my course by being in my comfort zone. Whereas I don't have to go to university, I don't have to go for the colleges, even I don't have to attend the offline classes. I can be in my comfort zone, I can sit in my room and I can turn on my laptop and I am doing my course. And I can learn and I can write my exam being in my comfort zone. How I can do? Because of English language. The huge content of English which you find on the internet is English only. Huge content of data which you find in English only, where you know when you know English very perfectly, you can do the thing very easily and you can done your work very comfortable without taking the help from others, and you can do yourself everything whatever is required to do your course, whatever the required to finish your course being in your comfort zone, you can do very easily by this language. And next come for the confidence. You believe my words, my brothers and sisters, whoever you are watching my video, I am telling very honestly to you that whenever your language English is when you are very good with English language, you are walking, you are talking, the way you behave with others, that shows the confidence on your face. You believe my words that it's hard to believe last yesterday I have been to the care hospital along with my father for regular checkup. My father long back 2016 he got a heart problem. So I usually visit to care hospital to consult doctor. Yesterday when I went there and they were asking a lot of unnecessary questions. So when I have given him the answers in English and I asked him that how long have you been working over here, and being a most senior doctor you don't even have the knowledge how to behave with with your patients. When the patients reach to the hospital he come with lot of hope, whereas he comes to reduce the problem anxiety and the whatever challenges he is facing to reduce, he came to here instead of reducing his diseases problems tensions. You are asking unnecessary questions, whereas you are giving the more tension to the patients. The particular person, when he reached the age of 80 years, the 80 years of the person mindset is different, and the 40-year age person mindset is different, because the capacity of thinking get different, capacity of giving the answer get different. So when you know about the English, how to talk with the doctors, and whereas how to guide them, being a doctors are very highly educated, even though if you are the confident on yourself and you can teach them that being a doctor, your work is to not to give the medicine and the injection, your work is to, with your words you can reduce the 50% of the problem of the patients. I guided them. The management and top management, they keep calling me and they were apologizing me for their behavior, and many doctors and even the top management have called me after reaching the house also, and they have said that many they are given me the lot of reason why the doctor has behaved like that. So anyways guys, the most important part is that when you are good in English, your level of communication would be different than others. Now come to the last part, traveling. You know brother, these days this is also one part of our life. Traveling has become, if you are not traveling in every year, so it means that just you are not living your life, you are not enjoying your life, just you are cutting your life, just you are just waiting for to go back to the, what I can say, that creator. You need to make a certain commitment to yourself that traveling, when you travel one place to another place, whereas you need again communication for communicating with the people. English communication will work you to reach to the your destination without any difficulties, without challenges. Same way, it become quite easy you to search the online, and you can book your Ola, Uber, whatever the you have the traveling facilities, you can enroll the facilities. You will not depend on others, you are not dependent on others, you can depend on yourself when you know the very good communication. What I would like to say, all the brothers and sisters, for all those people who are listening and watching my video, I am telling wholeheartedly that in my institute I have seen such a great person who are very good in the communication, still they came here and they want to learn more advanced English language. And I have seen those people who came from very low background, very what I can say that very poor family, even they have improved their English, and after learning English, after improving themselves, they enjoy their life and they are earning the very good amount of money. You believe my words, my brothers and sisters, which I would like to conclude within 1 minute. Whereas if you don't have your certificates, if you don't have degree, if you don't have anyone, but if you have the communication of English, you believe my words that you can earn the huge amount and you enjoy your life. So thank you so much, I Dream, inviting me for this and taking my interview. Thank you so much.
And for more videos,
Please subscribe to iDream.
Please subscribe to iDream.
Please subscribe iDream.
And please subscribe to iDream.
For more videos, subscribe to iDream.
please like, share and subscribe to the channel.
Congratulations, iDream.
Subscribe to iDream.
Subscribe to iDream.
So subscribe to iDream Media.
iDream ki iDream team అందరికి huge congratulations.
Please subscribe iDream Media.
Please subscribe to iDream.
Subscribe iDream.
Please subscribe to iDream.
iDream అంటే నా కళల ఛానల్ను సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసుకున్న నోరు తిరుగుతలేదు, మీరైతే గంట గుర్తు కొట్టండి.
For more such videos, please subscribe to iDream.
Subscribe to iDream. Please subscribe to iDream.
Please subscribe iDream Media.
Please do subscribe to iDream.
Please subscribe to iDream Media.
For best entertainment and information, please subscribe iDream.
And don't forget to subscribe to iDream.